Facebook ad targeting strategy. Facebook marketing and branding. Facebook ad targeting strategy. We mainly use Facebook ads using keywords from detail targeting and use what's in the interest category, which causes a lot of ad-ups to be lost in competition, because thousands of ads use some common targeting keywords: online shopping, shopping in fashion, clothing, etc. It's not that it doesn't work at all, but it's like throwing stones in the dark, so I'm trying to discuss some targeting strategies below. Run retargeting Facebook ad. The retargeting aid will be seen by those who know you in advance, that identity can be different, via mobile, via email, from the activity of your website or Facebook page. The video posted on your page can also be viewed. You can create and add an audience to them. It's important to say one thing here. For example, those who have visited your Facebook page in the last 6 months will see your ad on. Now have all those who visited your page in the last 6 months have visited your page a lot of time? Or has he scrolled through all the offers? Where is the time for people now? If the person who visits your page is 5 seconds and you keep them in the custom audience for 5 minutes, if you run the ad, she will not have to go to your page to see the ad. He can see your ad in his own timeline, and we basically prefer to scroll our timeline without going to a particular page. I hope I understand what I wanted to explain. Well, how do you target on the ad set? Here's another thing to say: if you have multiple products, you can multi-set ad here. Suppose you need to show some product ad boys, show some ad girls, then give boys on one set in multi-sets, give girls on another set, let the rest be as they are. Here's the gender: the difference can come from elsewhere. And in making ad, I'd say make 2 ad copies, one with a girl's dress and the other a boy's dress. Now you can say that making different ads is all about making so much trouble. Here I would say that the same ad does the same when shown different products, because if you have multiple ads running at the same time, they start competing with themselves, then one ad performs well and another ad doesn't survive in competition. This is to make ads with people who know you in advance, but those who don't know you at all. What about those we call cold audiences? Here too, instead of giving you a word from detail targeting, you can create a look-like audience with custom audiences from where you conveniently do it, then run ad. Like audiences in the look, but don't know you beforehand. They're the same people who know you in advance as people who match activity, demographics, etc. Example: suppose you sell cricket bats, you've done custom audiences that know you in advance, then you create like audiences in the look, then Facebook will create databases with some audiences where you're interested in buying cricket bats, because there were many people who liked the look from the custom audience you liked. So you know, you're giving an ad to a brand new audience, but it can't be called a stone's throw in the dark. They may not know you, but they're interested in your product or service. Facebook ad has changed a lot from before, and that's because competition is growing, so earlier your ad would have performed well. Now why not sit down with such arguments? You have to be updated along with Facebook. Don't let everyone go about what they're doing. Try to find out where the place is empty and work. Hopefully you'll get good results. Question answer. Question. One thing I notice is that selecting that custom audience after creating custom audience makes potential reach unavailable, and most ads are rejected. What will be the solution to this problem? I haven't heard of ad reject for the audience before, but it's important to see if that ad is for the audience, because ad is rejected for many small reasons. An enable will show because when you're telling Facebook to make audiences from a source, it doesn't happen in seconds, it happens slowly. You can check from the ad manager how many people got Facebook in your audience from the audience. If you like this video, then like and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and visit our website if you like to read blog post. Link in the description. Be always thanks for watching.